In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Telegram, even if you're starting from zero. First, create a niche Telegram channel. Pick a topic people are passionate about, like crypto, fitness, AI tools, or online business. The key is to focus on one specific niche, not something broad. Next, grow your channel. Post valuable content every day. Share tips, news, or exclusive insights people can't easily find elsewhere. Promote your channel on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and in relevant online communities. Once you start gaining members, you can monetize in three main ways. Number one, affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your niche and earn a commission for every sale through your link. Number two, paid promotions. Other brands or channel owners will pay you to promote their products to your audience. Number three, sell your own product. This could be an ebook, a course, a signal group, templates, or consulting. Telegram is powerful because you own the audience and can message them directly. The more value you provide, the more trust you build, and trust turns into income. Start simple, stay consistent, and treat your Telegram channel like a real business.